Hi guys, back with another video. Today we'll be showing you a tutorial on, yes, Suffer. First one, ground clipping. This is very easy. I think even your cat can do it, or dog, or whatever. Your grandma can do it. This is very easy. You're just going to have to jump and just flip. This is very easy. Like, just when you reach the ground, the ground, just like the surface, then flip real quick. You can do this here. It's so easy. Even my mom can do it. Here's another way. From here, and yes. Oh, these crates are gonna give you 4 stuff. Okay, the first one is a rocket launcher. The second one is a taser, and the fourth one is a teleorb and the medkit. So let me tell you what a taser does. It tases players with a minimum range of 5. Yeah. You can actually clip. I will be telling what the other does. I will be first, and the clipping. Yes, you can ground clip. Yes, it's very easy. Just going to have to use your sword or gun or just. And when you think you're going to do it, just unequip it real quick. Now, if you're getting chased, just use a human trap. Okay, don't take it too quickly. You want anything? And also, yes, they can just come from the other side. So just throw a grenade in there if you're getting chased. And they're crawling, they're going from the other way. There are 3 openings to this place, which are very, very spotless, clean. Totally. You can clip here, which is crazy, and I just found out. Yeah, I know, it's so cool. You can clip back here, or from the other way. Hey, I really recommend using this only if your health is low, since you can actually get banned for this. Since I did, and I did make the game get banned. Okay, guys, I'm joking. Okay, here are some actual useful tips. Okay, if you have like melee weapon like this, flip just when you're going to press the flip button, hit and then flip. First hit, second flip. Really quickly, like this. I done it. It's very easy. It's very easy to master out. No, like seriously. And also, you can actually move C4s. Also, grenades if you know what you're doing. And no, I just died. I have 1 million kills and I just died. 1k kills. You can do this with the grenades. Bro, did I? Oh shit. I just swear. Oh my gosh. Guys, I swear I didn't mean to. I swear I didn't mean to. Okay, guys, whatever. Here we go. There is a lot of statics. Sorry about that. Like that. You just go in first person and just, like, flip. It's so easy. You just, like, kinda like have to be standing up. You can do this with the grenade, too. And also with the C4. This is a secret. Not really. And you can actually go here. You can get a secret sword. Melee weapon. Like this. This is also a secret place. You can get a body pillow. I think I'm good with that. Yeah, I already got it. But yeah, there's actually some safe places you can stay there. I don't know. But yeah, out of the ordinary. So basically, here's a tip for ranged weapons. So I've seen a lot of players do this, and I think it's about time you know it too, don't you think? So, a lot of players, I don't know, I've just seen them in this game, and they do like this, and I just dropped something, or I just hurt myself. Okay, hold on. You go like this, like they shoot you, and you're trying to find out who they are, but like they do like this, like they're looking away, but they're actually looking at you. Just their eyes are just looking away. They're looking at you. They switch to, oh, they hate you and switch back. It's very, very easy. Like, oh yeah, it's actually hard. It's pretty hard. So yeah, for mobile users, it's hard. You can actually go here. Not a lot of players know this. This. And it's about time. Know it. Yeah, you know it. So this is basically it. Like you can train with your friend with range weapons or anything else like that, but I learned it the hard way. So now, since I'm done with this video, I can finally pay Chance's debt. No, actually, he's going to give me all his debt. Alright, guys, that's basically it. Not it. So, another tip for easily escaping people that are chasing you. Oh my fucking god! Oh my gosh, dude, I just shit. Alright. Okay, when you're close to something, you jump and quickly just jump. If you're close, quickly just like jump and flip at the same time. Also, another tip which is very, very useful, and I think you need to know. What the fuck? Bro, what? Bro! Can't you? It's broken! Okay, it's not broken anymore. Sorry about that. I was yapping. And okay, here you're just going to have to jump and flip. Usually you just get normal. But if you jump, flip, and ragdoll, jump, flip, and ragdoll, you go much further. I did a test if you want to see that. Also, I was trying to... How did I just do that? How did I missed? So I hope that helped. I hope in the future you can guys do it like this. But I don't think you will even be playing this game. Well, I do. And I think people are just... I know this game, like... Truly, yes. I know it's pay to... And it obviously should be removed. Like, I mean, pay to win, like, they'll just lose their Robux. But if they just give it back, and it's all be fine. Like, I think everything will be fine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe.